how to set the mood before the flashcards. I lack in that part. And after joining this community, and this Brainathon helps me a lot. Uh, you taught how to do the blowing exercise and the eye exercise. It all helps to make her to concentrate, and I love that. And the bonding between us has gone to another level, and the activities we all enjoyed. She likes that clairvoyance so much. I love that, and I'm waiting for next season. I'm surely going to participate in that, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the opportunity to do the right things at the right time, ma'am. I thank universe too to do to find a good mentor like you, ma'am. And this Brainathon built so much of confidence to me, ma'am. And I understood one thing is consistency is the main key for everything. And I like the process that form actually. First of all, setting an intention, I exercise, warm up, and at last, and then flashcards at last. Bonding between me and me, baby is really I enjoyed very much, and the baby also enjoyed very much. And இதெல்லாமே இந்த மெமரி ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம பார்த்து கோர்சஸில் எங்கன்னா பார்த்துருந்தாலும் நம்ம செய்ய மாட்டோம். ஆனால் வந்து இந்த பிரெயின்தான் மூலயமா நான் கன்சிஸ்டன்சியாக செஞ்சதுனால இப்போ என்னால் அதை விடவும் முடியல. பேபிக்கும் அது ரொம்ப பழக்கமாயிடுச்சு. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது மேம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் மேம். தேங்க்யூ.
I joined Silver Membership Program in the month of July, and luckily I got Brainathon season 4 started at August. So luckily day 1 from day 1 till day 21 it was really very challenging, but still a very good journey. Actually, when I started it, I was wondering how I could make my 8-month-old child so sit in front of me doing all those activities. But believe me, it was like amazing. So whenever I start to flash the cards, right, so she'll have that much concentration, and until I finish the last card, she'll be sitting in front of me and watching all those. So thank you, really, thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
22. Like at that time we used to have one call per month, where I used to start only do the flashcard session. But after Jan 2023, when Ali ma'am started bi-weekly calls, I got more clarity about the RBE activities. But when the Brainathon season started, I got much clarity about the RBE activities and right brain activities. We used to skip some of the activities and do the flashcard session daily. But after this Brainathon season, because of the particular prompts given by the Nalli ma'am, we started experiencing all the right brain activities and all the whole brain acceleration activities which we haven't tried before. I'm so much thankful for this, because it is only possible because of the Brainathon season and the daily particular prompts. I'm so much thankful to you, Nalli ma'am.
I joined in whole brain acceleration program by Dr. Nalini in July, and I saw all the modules. It was very clear, but I was in little bit of confused state where to start and how to proceed and all. At the same time, Brainathon season 4 21-day challenge has come, and we followed each and every instruction in the Brainathon. Yes, and we completed the challenge. The program was very helpful in understanding all the concepts of whole brain acceleration, and we did it and we won the challenge. Thank you so much.
I'm very grateful to you for bringing this Brainathon. Before Brainathon, I was doing only flashcards with my child, that too in an inconsistent way. But this Brainathon makes me consistent in what I am doing, and I have also learned that all the right brain activities and how to do that in a consistent manner. And also one thing I learned from this Brainathon is the power of intention setting. After the last inner circle call, me and my child set the intention that we have completed this Brainathon challenge and we are the winners, and that is happened now. So thank you very much for that.
Since my son was born, I'm in search of proper guidance for him, where to create a space for him to thrive. Isn't it wonderful sometimes the right people come across as just the right time when we really need them? Dr. Nalini ma'am, you are an excellent mentor. So the vision you have for us, not only learn the concept but put them to practice with the support of like-minded parent community through Brainathon challenge is just awesome. I'm glad that I have taken part in this Brainathon season 4 and successfully completed all the 21 days. Now we are having a routine, and we both, me and my kid, really look forward for that special time every single day. The excitement he shows up when I say it's RB session, it's just priceless. Thank you so much for being you and inspiring us all along. Bye. Dr. Nalini.
This experience was a very interesting one, and it also gave us a kickstart to do our RBE education on a daily basis. Um, One thing I really liked about this Brainathon challenge was I thought it was just flashcards, and there were some techniques which we learned in the course, like the clairvoyance and telepathy, etc. But apart from that as well, there was a lot more things which Nalini ma'am was giving on a daily basis to do, and which was very interesting, and it involved the whole family, including her father and me. And I also did video call to her grandparents and involved them in the telepathy, which was very nice. So totally we love the experience, and thank you. We look forward for the next Brainathon challenge. Say bye. Bye.
I feel lucky to be part of holistic parenting community. After joining this community from Jan 26, 2023, I see many changes in me and my baby also. I connect with my child very deeply. My parenting journey is very smooth till now. Nalini is an amazing mentor and coach. She organized Brainathon challenges for us. She gave us daily prompts to us, and I complete that in challenges. She gave us valuable knowledge about RBE and whole brain acceleration. I believe in on input process only.
Brainathon is nothing but identifying the inner abilities of the child, like telepathy, linking memory, clairvoyance, everything. Because of these activities, my child loves this session. And Brainathon is connecting more bonding between mother and child. That is very nice thing. Thank you. Thank you, Nalini ma'am.
This is the second time that we are participating in this Brainathon challenge. This time we felt more prepared as we knew what to expect. There was better cooperation from my child as she has already done this, so she feels more familiarized. We missed the last season, so it feels great to be back again. There's always something new to look forward in each Brainathon. Looking forward to participating in many more Brainathons. Thank you.
I have joined Dr. Nalini's Holistic Parenting Universe since April 2023, and I'm here to speak about my experience in the recent Brainathon Season 4 21 Days Challenge. I have participated and successfully completed 3 of these seasons previously. Each time I show up for the Brainathon, I take it as an opportunity to improve and do better. This time, I was even more prepared with the process and flashcards. I created proper dot cards and bit cards. I observed that my 11-month-old really enjoyed these whole brain acceleration sessions, which include intuition, photographic memory games, and alongside with the flashcards. Every time I say flashcard time, she will crawl quickly to the learning space. She will keenly observe the sessions. Sometimes she does move around, but I know she's observing whatever I'm saying. Dr. Nalini is an amazing parenting and whole brain accelerator educator. She takes us step by step. She's very clear. It's a very simple process, so we can really feel confident to trust her process. I am so grateful and blessed to be part of her growing, empowering community. I am well educated through her informative courses on emotional intelligence, early literacy, parenting transformation, self-care. So I am also evolving beautifully alongside my child. I highly recommend Dr. Nalini to all parents who want to uplift their children's learning journey and their own selves in a holistic approach. So thank you so much, Dr. Nalini.
So as per Nalini ma'am's instruction, first of all, I had set up an intention to complete the challenge, and I completed it. But I had faced so many struggles to complete it. I had so many reasons to quit, but I didn't quit. So thank you so much, Nalini ma'am. Thank you so much for this effort you had put in, and thank you so much for all the help you have been done. And I'm doing consistent. I'm going to follow this routine for my child.
This is the second time we are completing it. I had to take a break in between for the third season, and this season it was so interesting to see 100 participants in the beginning, and that was for motivating me to complete it. Okay, there are so many people participating, so I will also come join and complete it. I did it with both my children. This time we try to focus it mainly on math and other memory games. We also finished reading cards in both the languages, Tamil and in English. So what interesting thing I found was both my children started comprehending a lot. My younger child, she just started speaking, and now she is talking. She's using so many words. Her comprehension has rapidly increased after the Brainathon. Thank you.
Well, as to say, my experience that I had during this Brainathon season 4 was truly amazing, and not just any other event. It was truly remarkable and a life changing event for me, because I had come to the realization that my kid is capable of so much more. It's only because of the right guidance. By doing everyday challenges of Brainathon, I've noticed that the bond between me and my child has become even more stronger and has gone so deep. Thank you, Nalini ma'am, for giving me this opportunity, not just me, to many of us, for having the faith in us that we would complete this Brainathon. Thank you.
Consistency is the main key to achieve this, and we both become a winners again. She cooperates in every activities that we do. She loves flashcards and warm-up exercises and space memory and some of the right brain activities she loves very much. And she only will get the flashcards and she will tell Amma tell the flashcards. She only will pick the activities whichever she likes, and I am proud to be a part in this community. And thank you Nalini ma'am for motivating us and little ones. Excited to participate in upcoming Brainathons and see more miracles in the little ones.
Today, I'm so glad to share my experiences about the 21 days Brainathon challenge. It is a wonderful journey. In each day, we got different activities. Nalini ma'am shares different activities in each day, and also ma'am shares the how to do the activities, and she explains neatly the each activities for different age groups. And here we enjoyed a lot, and we did myself and my kid had both has done the fun of these activities, and I got lot of confidence in myself and how to teach my child and how to show the flashcards and how about the Brainathon challenge is. Thank you Nalini ma'am, thank you so much.
First of all, thank you Nalini ma'am and every single person in the community for motivating us throughout this 21 days. Like, we had set an intention that we are going to complete it no matter what, and the same thing I incorporated in my child, that we're going to do it. So before this I wasn't consistent, I was doing it now and then, so I decided that we are going to do it no matter what. So then now I see my child as being more focused, and I think she grasps things easily than before. So I would say this has helped me so much. And some days we had so many challenges. We live in Germany, so we had so many challenges. Like, I was sick, my daughter was sick, there were so many things, but still we made it that we are going to complete. And to my surprise, there were some days that my daughter, she herself comes and says, Amma, we'll do flashcards. She says that word. So that made me so happy, and now being a winner makes me even more happy. Thank you.
I knew about right brain education but did not know the whole process and steps. With Nalini ma'am's guidance and step-by-step process, the whole thing became clear to me. It's not only about right brain but also about holistic parenting and whole brain acceleration. Because of this daily challenge and Nalini ma'am's dedication and wonderful group of parents who motivates each other at every step, I was able to complete this Brainathon S4 in spite of several obstacles. Not only this, I was able to find the true potential in discover the true potential in my child and find out the genius in him. It's really amazing to know that these children are capable of doing so much more than we can think of them. Consistency and focusing on the input is another key to success. Thanks, Nalini ma'am.
నళిని మేడం బ్రెయినథాన్ సీజన్ అంటే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం, చాలా నచ్చింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను కంప్లీట్ చేయడం. లాస్ట్ బ్రెయినథాన్ సీజన్ 3 నేను కంప్లీట్ చేయలేదు, కానీ సీజన్ 4 నేను ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఖచ్చితంగా కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి అనే అఫర్మేషన్తో కంప్లీట్ చేశాను. చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను. మెయిన్ థింగ్ నాకు నచ్చింది ఏంటంటే బేబీతో బాండింగ్. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు రోజుల్లో మనము పిల్లలతో టైం స్పెండ్ చేయాలంటే చాలా మొబైల్ అడిక్షన్ మెయిన్ నాకు. సో బేబీతో బాండింగ్ నాకు చాలా హెల్ప్ అయింది. ఇప్పటి నుంచి నేను ఖచ్చితంగా ఆర్బీ యాక్టివిటీస్ ప్లాన్ చేయడం, బేబీతో టైం స్పెండ్ చేయడం, ఇవన్నీ చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ నళిని మ్యామ్.
I set an intention to just participate in a 21-day challenge. This is my first intention. 21st day created some magical to my child and for me also. Something is magical happened to me. It gives us some confidence. It gives some continues this activity, and then at all my child is also very very interested. That's all. I think it's something relations between a parent and child. It gives a lot of self confidence. Yeah, thanks to all. Thanks to all the participation for this. Thank you.
We are very happy and fortunate that we are able to complete the 21-day challenge. Me and my two kids, 13-month-old. We have been introduced to RVE for I think about 6 months, but I was not able to start up. I didn't knew how to do it, though I watched the courses, but I was not sure which activity to do first and which not. But this Brainathon has really helped me to structure the things. The key to success, I would say, was consistency and the affirmations. I'm really happy, and I will recommend this to all the parents, because Brainathon is a step-by-step process how we can introduce flashcards and other activities to kids. Thank you, Dr. Nalini, for this opportunity.